The show continues, ladies and gentlemen. A peer bad singer come here now. This next bad singer, one of the first artists in our time as young youth go a drop on and sign a contract with a Japanese company. This artist is one of the artists out of the lost 19, about 83, 82, them time that me hear about the artist here. And when me there in England, 85 are the biggest artists this in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, we bring across the artist here can sing. I know this here, note down there. So welcome on stage, Mr. Triller You! Triller You!
If you're feeling lonely, don't. You're the only one I ever want. I only wanna make it good. So if I love you a little more than I should, please forgive me. I know not what I do. Please forgive me. I can't stop loving you. Don't deny me this pain I'm going through. Please forgive me if I need you like I do. Please believe me. Every word I say is true. Please forgive me. I can't stop loving you. All it candy. What them say original dancehall. Good evening. Or should I say good morning? Good sitting. Whether night or day, good sitting. What do you want? You don't know. A man like me love to bless the place, you know, because I am a God-fearing youth. I grew up in the church. Seen? So see all the massive who love the God of our creation. Let me say the end of the year now. Let me see the lion paw them no man. Me no want to no afraid to serve Jah, no, because I know it's a Jah. A Jah we say. Yes. No big up Tony, big up Bonnie General, big up little Kirk. Kirk Davis, my brother. Peter Metro, Candy, the whole crew. Show the people them so much. Angie from England. Me mean New York, big up yourself. Run it no man, massive and the whole crew. Run it. That one here goes to all who love God. Ooh, na 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 no now. Hey, oh. O'Neal famous, big up yourself, youth. Look. I woke up this morning and I see the rising sun. I give thanks and praise Jah for all He has done. He's given me the strength and He kept me alive. With wisdom and His knowledge to survive. And I know, yes I know, and everybody must. Oh no, sing it, come on! My God is real. Cha! Ooh, na 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 no now. Daya! Eh, oh. Ooh, na 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 no now. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I woke up this morning and I see the rising sun. I give thanks and praise Jah for all He has done. He's given me the strength and He kept me alive. With the wisdom and His knowledge to survive. And I know, yes I know, and everybody must know, my God is real. So real His presence I feel. My God is real. My God is real. So real His presence. Listen, let me tell you why God real. What do I hear why? Let me say now. Some people just try it, only seeking vanity. But I must advise, that's not the way to be. You better try harder to save your soul. Stop worshiping silver silver and the gold, 'cause my God is real. So real His presence I feel. Oh, keep it lower, keep it lower. As them say original dancehall, so you don't know what's original dancehall style. What me tell them now? Ladies, you don't remember me, but I remember you. 'Twas not so long ago, you broke my heart in two. Tears on my pillow, pain in my heart caused by you. Ooh, 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 ooh. If we should start out new, I wouldn't hesitate. I'd gladly take you back and tempt the hand of fate. 'Cause tears on my pillow, pain in my heart caused by you. Ooh, 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 oh, oh, pull up. Next track. I want me just a warm me now. Let me see if I remember them tune ya. Baby girl, hey. Say long time me know ya. But remember granny grow ya. I want Western one arts girl. When, listen. Tell me, tell me, tell me when. Tell me when. Tell me, sweet Vanessa, when will you give me your love? Oh, Vanessa, tell me when. Mix, girl, tell me when. We're gonna fall in all over again. Oh, tell me, sweet Ben, tell me when. We're gonna. So I never know so me can't DJ. I'm me DJ, man. Hey, big up Squidly Ranks. Oh yeah. Ooh yes. Hey, hey. Oh yeah. Here we go. Tell me when. Tell me, sweet Vanessa, when will you give me your love? Oh, Vanessa, tell me when. Mix, girl, tell me when. We're gonna fall in all over again. Oh, tell me, sweet Ben, tell me when. We're gonna fall in all over again. Oh, tell me. One drop. Remember all the times when we used to have fun. We used to love it for la granny. Go up a yam gong and hide in the grass so me pick the plum. Run with me, I say yo, granny they come tell me when. We're gonna fall in all over again. Lower. I'm gonna drag on the memory. One of them tune. Love has played this game with me so long. I started to believe I never found anyone that would have tried to convince me to give in, but you can't win. No. But one day the sun it came and shining through. The rain has stopped and the skies were blue, yeah. And someone was saying I love. Here we go, everybody. I want. Come on, the choir. Chains. Yes. And life shows compassion. affection and send to me a stroke of luck. Call you. What do I hear, my bad? Hear me, I need you know. Lord, well, I'm moving like a new Hey, you never know. I mean, them call them Juju. Thriller Juju. Next track. Yes, hold it. So, Metro, you know what? You get the information a little bit wrong. It was not 1983. It was 1988, 89. But yes, I was creating a little storm back home, which is here. Now this song I'm about to sing, everybody who used to go original dancer is supposed to know that tune. I said that tune a Stone Love anthem. So you what? No long talking now, man. No procrastinating. Run it. Hey, 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 hey. Oh yeah. Remember, my love is. Big up Lisa B. Toulouse says so. Hey, 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 hey. Big up your Exodus to man. Sure. My love is warmer than a smile. My love gives to every needing child. If anyone should ask you who's my true love, tell them my love's true. Forever letting all the love come true. Let my love shine throughout the world. Whoa, 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 whoa. To every mountain top and hey, let it be felt by every soul. In love all over. Whoa, remember, why does the sun go on? Why does the sea rush to shore? Want to sing it, man? Don't say it's the end, and you don't love me anymore. It's a true, you don't love me no more, but you know me call for Cupid. Draw back and let your arrow flow straight to my lover heart. For and of course, remember that tune? Let me say remember that tune. Ow. 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 Pull it. Pull it. Yo, Bob Marley are the greatest. Bob Marley said, when music hit you no feel no pain. On the one piece of candy face. Run the next track, man. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, yes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ah, yeah. Look in my eyes. What do you see? Yo! My eyes, what do you see? There's no doubt the message is clear. So many love, so helplessly. But girl, forever I want you near. Oh yes, there's been times that I realize how strongly I feel for you. You're the best thing that I've ever known, and I wanna tell you so you know it. Hey, forever will preserve it. And I'll prove it to you. Starting tonight, I'm gonna prove my love, yeah. I'll take my time. Use remix. Bye 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 bye. Me not tell you no lie. You no star, you no star. All of the girls will no fight for you whole book. Hold up your hand and jump up, 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 up. All of the girls will no fight for you whole book. Hold up your hand and jump. We're gonna sunlight in the day and the moonlight in the night. The fishes are dancing, running. Till it's in a good stride, till another. I wonder why. Can you? Oh Lord, life goes on. Life go. Pull, pull, ash. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, let me see if I remember one now. Gonna break these chains around. Hey, Mikey Chin, big up yourself, Mikey Chin. Gonna break these chains around me. I'm gonna learn to fly again. Maybe hard, but I do it. When I'm back on my feet again. Hey, soon these tears that I've been crying, soon these eyes will see the sun. Won't take long, but I'll see it. When I'm back on my feet again. Hey, when I'm back on my, I won't crawl down the street and the Lord look at me again, and you'll see that I'm strong. Pull. Me a fat 17 ton a song for sing. And this is not a pass-through. This is a representation. You see me, I say me I represent. Big up yourself. Me and the man I used to par. Yes, O'Neal. How you mean? When the O'Neal pay must slim, like, you know, like Squidly. Yes. We used to par. Yes. Bad DJ. Not take him simple. Yeah. When I hear me to man, more and give my round of applause. I'm telling you why. I like the platform. Yeah. It's decent. I whole for people of you. I want to big up to all the viewers them and all the subscribers them. Okay? The name is Trilla You, and if you want to contact Trilla You, the number is 876-417-1119. If you don't understand the name, 111 is 1119. Okay? 417-1119. I don't know, of course, the 876 area code. So you what, Candy? Where you say? Give me the next shot, no man. That's where I go, no man. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Ooh, remember. Just take a closer look into my eye. Hey! Hey! Ooh, big up Soundwave crew. Oh, yeah, yeah. Grab a fire, Ricky. What we say? Just take a closer look into my eyes. You got me going and got me hypnotized. Every time you go, you take a part of me. Just say you love me and only let it be. True love always find a way through the darkest night. Yes, see that? Make it hear no. Always find true. Always seems to find through the darkest road. Yes, see it all the way. Where's the Metro? Metro, you just know. Ring ding 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 ding. Ring ding 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 ding. Ring ding 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 ding. Ring ding ding ring ding ding ring ding ding. Some gyal a wear tight clothes just to look sexy. Wear tight clothes just to look ready. Wear tight clothes. Wear tight clothes just to remember. I see the crystal raindrops fall and boom. Boy! All the man, them say, I love the woman. What do they say? Woman. You look inside my fantasies and made each one come true. Something no one else had ever found a way to do. I kept the memories one by one since you took me in, and I know I'll never love this way again. Oh no, sing it now, come on. I know. So I keep holding on before the good is gone. I know I'll never love this way again. Hold on, just hold on. Boy, ladies, here I am, playing with those memories again. And just when I thought time has set me free, those thoughts of you keep taunting me, holding you. A feeling I never outgrew. Though each and every part of me has tried, I can't hear you. Only you can fill that space inside. Well, it's no sense pretending my heart is not. Just when I thought I was, and just when I thought I could stand, keep it in the pot, and I just can't go on. How that tune about me? You know how your tune about me on the pot? Beat the pot, man. I'm juggling every time, yes. Juggling, I come to blow them mind. Juggling every time, whoa. Juggling, yes, it's juggling. I come to blow them mind. See now, if something in life that you want to achieve, oh yes, you got to have a few tricks. Roll it, pull it. Walla no man. I'm gonna make him introduce himself. What I say, all right, my general? How was your flight?
Beautiful.
Run the track, see him turning in my man.
Hey! Whoa! Oh, no, I go! So, should I even listen? Should I even try? Yeah. Oh no, say whoa, now sing this one more time. Should I even listen? Should I even try? Yeah. We'll just be hearing matter. Oh yes, say it doesn't matter what you do to yourself, because our relationship is a bit. Maybe you don't know. You say things way, still you. But how do you say that when you don't love should have you should have been with me, baby. Should have been, babe. Listen, that rhythm has a fun rhythm. When you dip on tour, me and Trilla you them, and Luke D them. We call Trilla you and him give you something like this.
The wickedest time when the rain start fall, the girl them start to ball. Una send telegram, they ma make phone call, yeah. Say she want me hammer, fit you on a wall. Whether in a spring, summer, winter or fall. Say she want the real Trilla yo, a pick around me dance hard, yeah.
You don't know. Sure. A lot of man not getting up. Whoa. And a lot of man is going to suffer tonight, because the battle is getting, and this iration, this amount.
Son, don't put your heart where you can't reach it. It makes no sense. Foolish dog, back up the flying bird. Patient man, run donkey.
You know me say you. Through my son and murder, some jump on in. Lincoln Kirk.
Hey, baby, isn't she lovely? And isn't she wonderful? No, you don't run. This is original dancer. Run the track. How was your Kirk? I will the play a song, sing it. That's why you go original dancehall. What me tell us, Curtis? She loves me now. Whoa, she loves me now. She loves me now. Whoa. Let me say. And I say, glory, glory, hallelujah. Long time this girl, yeah, she love her the Trilla. She send love letter to me mother and me father. Also I send it to me sister and me brother. She loves me now. Whoa, she loves me now. She loves me now. Whoa. Where's the crowd? Where is DJ upon it?
I great is going through it. Whoa, yes. And that is the reason why my eyes are turning. It's going through my, I'm ready to miss every time I need a spliff. Oh, if I got to have it. Oh, no, sing.
Hold on, Jonah. Here we go. So long time I no DJ in a dance. And a long time I no chant in a dance. Me come to nice up the era. Me come to nice up the air. What me say? Dance it's a laugh. Food it's a laugh. Liquor's a laugh. Everything it's a laugh. Watch your fupa famous just a laugh. Watch a nigga oh him just a laugh. Oh him laugh. Oh him laugh. And what him say? People, are you ready? Oh Lord, run come do rubber doctors just steady. Look at that. Tell the ladies. Meet me at the corner, Long Yard, down your avenue. Trilla, where you there? Oh, look how close me to the Meister studio. Why am I not sing I wanna? Come me no know what I wanna. Put it on. Ooh, I'm hurting. Ooh, I'm hurting. I did not see what I was supposed to see. Taking it easy till a friend told me I was in so much danger. Underestimating my woman, not taking her out. Every night me gonna road gang go spar with me bridging them. Now she gone out with a stranger. Sha! Yo!
Looking at love. It's like this. But Jaja give it true love. I need not search no. Trilla, where you there?
Metro, pull it. You know, say one time I write one tune and everywhere me go and sing the tune, the woman them hate me. I mean, I really feel like I'm going to sing it now, because guess what? I decide say, I want the woman them on my side fully. Because I know the group Lost. And I want to tell you straight up, say, Lost, we have a 25th anniversary tour just about to kick off. So what I say? Who are Jolly's last Tuesday. Okay, yes. Right, so I'm fair. I couldn't know, say, every last Tuesday over Portmore, right on the back road, the top part of the back road, a place them call him Jolly's. We're going to the nicest fish cuisine. So I say, check it out. Every last Tuesday, and this last Tuesday, remember I said the last one for the year. Seeing someone to come in and support it. Big up yourself too on the Jolly's. Friend for life, and never look your wife. So I say, Curtis, how you gone? Curtis! No, man, I better the Curtis! How? Run that song, because I don't come for star in the show, you know. I just come for sing two tunes. Just as I am, baby. Yeah. Pull it. And the introduction have to be proper. I want you to listen to me keenly. As you know, it's 4 of us in the group. We have, we have Luke D, myself, Mr. Trillayo, Tony Curtis, and singing Melody. But unfortunately, Luke D is on a plane to somewhere in the area they are firing. Melody is somewhere down a country. He never understands they must come. Anyway, we're asking now. I mean, Tony Curtis alone there, so the group name us. Someone to sing with it. It's us. Okay? Big up on yourself. Enough love. Saying, you touch again, Curtis.
1st of January, intimate. Be there. We are go there. It's go crazy. Barry Salmon, Buju Banton, Master Griffith, Starros Riley. Should go off the hook. Lost, it's going to be off the hook. Love you now.
Why, people, give them a round of applause, man. Yes, man. Little John, big up yourself.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.